What does the Tongli Wooden Tower in China, which is over 1,000 years old, look like today? Today, we will explore a unique and incredibly impressive architectural structure, the Yingshan Wooden Tower in China. Located in Shanxi Province, China, the Yingshan Wooden Towers, also known as the Sakyamuni Pagodas, is one of the tallest and oldest surviving wooden structures in the world. Built in 1056 during the Liao dynasty, the tower stands at an impressive height of 67.5 meters and a diameter of 30 meters, a testament to the ingenuity and masterful construction techniques of the ancients. The Yingshan Wooden Towers is made of pink fir wood. This type of wood was chosen for its excellent properties such as high durability, resistance to termites, and the ability to withstand harsh weather conditions. Pink fir is lighter than other types of wood, which helps to reduce the load on the tower structure. Additionally, pink fir has beautiful wood grain and a natural, luxuriant color, contributing to the tower's artistic appeal. Furthermore, the use of pink firs for the construction of the Yingshan Towers also carries special spiritual significance. According to the ancient beliefs, pink fir symbolize longevity, good fortune, and nobility. In addition to pink fir, other details of the Yingshan Towers are also made from other precious woods such as phoebe, xanthoscyte, and santalum album. The use of various types of wood enhances the durability and enriches the beauty of the structure. What makes the Yingshan Wooden Tower truly famous is its unique dogong structure. Instead of using nails or glue, the wooden components are intricately connected using complex mortise and tenon joints, creating a solid and sturdy foundation for the entire structure. Although from the outside, the Yingshan Wooden Tower appears to have only 5 tiers, the interior actually consists of 9 tiers with 8 graceful curved roofs. Each tier of the tower possesses unique artistic and cultural values, housing exquisite Buddha statues and reliefs. Throughout its over 1,000 years history, the Yingshan Wooden Towers has witnessed countless ups and downs. The tower has faced numerous earthquakes and devastating wars but has stood strong and resilient. Currently, the tower has tilted at a 3-degree angle due to the impact of a bomb dropped on the tower during wartime. This incident causes significant damage to the tower, but it has been meticulously restored to its original state by the authorities. Side by side with humans, swallows also play a significant role in protecting the tower. People can see swallows soaring through the sky. These are the swallows that are tirelessly eliminating insects and termites every day. They have helped the tower remain strong and healthy throughout the millennium until today. The sight of swallows fluttering around the tower creates a sense of immense beauty and tranquility. Today, the Yingshan Wooden Towers is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is under the special care of the local government. Conservation and restoration measures are carried out regularly to ensure the safety of visitors and preserve the historical value of the tower. The Yingxian wooden pagodas is an extremely unique and impressive architectural work, containing many valuable historical and cultural values. Exploring and learning about this pagoda will help us understand more about the glorious civilization of China and the intelligence and creativity of humans over the centuries. The video ends here. If you have time, please come to admire this pagoda in person. Goodbye and see you in the next video.